Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your slice of paradise in St. Anne. This extraordinary 5.13 acres estate offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Caribbean Sea, creating a serene escape you will never want to leave. The property features four spacious bedrooms and four bathrooms, including two ensuite, making it ideal for a large family or entertaining guests. A dedicated office with an adjacent bathroom provides a private and convenient space for work or study. Practical amenities abound, with two large water catchment tanks, ensuring a reliable supply, and a farmhouse with a chicken coop for those seeking a sustainable lifestyle. Located just 5 minutes from the coast, you will enjoy easy access to sun, sand, and sea, as well as a variety of recreational activities nearby. This stunning property combines natural beauty, convenience, and endless possibilities. Whether you're searching for a family home, a retreat, or an investment, this estate is a rare gem. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Call today to make it yours. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 55 million or US, $348,100. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.